Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from Delhi Dawn, 5th April 2024. Report by Khalikiani. Start. Fines imposed on 5 power firms for illegal load shedding. The National Electric Power Regulatory Authority (NEPRA) on Thursday imposed a fine of rupees 50 million each on 5 power distribution companies including K Electric for carrying out commercial based excessive load shedding in violation of laws penalizing honest consumers. Full stop. It is for the first time the regulator has moved from issuing warnings against collective punishments in the power sector, which started more than a decade ago in Karachi and was adopted by public sector companies with the tacit approval of the federal government and penalized power companies for revenue feather bidding. Full stop. In its similar but separate judgments, the power regulator observed that collective punishment to all consumers for the wrongs of a few could not be allowed indefinitely through disconnection of electricity to consumers on the basis of aggregate technical and commercial AT&C losses. Full stop. It issued judgments on 5 power distribution companies from Karachi, Quetta, Peshawar, Hyderabad and Sakhar. Full stop. The regulator said it had taken up the issue to investigate several complaints regarding unscheduled load shedding by the general public during public hearings on monthly fuel price adjustments and written means. Full stop. Upon inquiry, it was revealed that load shedding is being carried out based on AT&C losses policy, which is not in line with the provision of NEPRA Act, 1997, and Performance Standards Distribution Rules, 2005, and has never been recognized by NEPRA, it said. Full stop. It sought views and reports from the power companies and having found unsatisfactory responses, formally issued show cause notice and provided companies with an opportunity to defend themselves. Full stop. While some of them gave varying reasons, most of them considered AT&C based power cuts and claimed they were being done under the government's policy. Full stop. It said the power companies, under the documents they submitted to the regulator, it was obligatory on power utilities to provide and ensure fair, reliable, equitable and uninterrupted distribution of electricity services in accordance with the eligibility criteria, performance standards, safety, health and environment protection. Full stop. However, it was noted that licenses were even violating their own so-called AT&C policies and carrying out excessive load shedding as compared to the scheduled one. Full stop. Moreover, few feeders were randomly selected, and observed that the licenses had failed to make improvements in the technical and financial health of those feeders since many years, despite having been allowed colossal amounts for operations and maintenance. Full stop. They were continuing their operations in status quo, due to which, even good paying consumers suffer a lot. Full stop. The K Electric contended that a major component of AT&C loss-based load shed policy was the recovery ratio based on which the feeders were categorized into respective load shed categories, Over the years, the paying propensity of the consumers has been significantly impacted due to the ongoing economic condition of the country, load shedding leading to significant challenges on the recovery front, distorting the recovery ratio, especially in the last 12 months, consequently affecting the loss profile of feeders, similar views also came from other companies, full stop. The NEPRA observed that attributing economic conditions alone overlooked potential internal inefficiencies and shortcomings in the company's operation and management, full stop. Moreover, instead of solely relying on recovery ratios as the basis for load shedding policies, the companies should explore alternative measures to address financial challenges, such as improving billing and collection processes, reducing technical losses and enhancing consumer awareness regarding the importance of timely payments, full stop.